My greetings go out to the academic supervisor, Dr. Siti Sawani Abdullah from University Malaysia Kelantan, and also industrial supervisor, Mrs. Tan Hui Wan. My name is Cheng with matrix number A21A2434. Now is here to present for the course AAT40212 Industrial Training as having an internship in KS Liao Tax Consultants Sdn Bhd. KS Liao Tax Consultants Sdn Bhd, a distinguished firm with over 40 years of expertise in providing comprehensive tax and also accounting services since its establishment in 1982 by Mr. Liao Guanshu. Since he is the founder, it is definitely that he owns the 100% of shares. The firm has a wide client base spanning more than 3,000 businesses in different fields such as food and beverage, manufacturing, construction, investment holding, and real estate developers. The company is headquartered in Muntaka Pahang and soon expanded to Bora Pahang. This brings a significant turning point to the firm. I will now go into the industry background of KS Liao Tax Consultants Sdn Bhd. Several organizations oversee the Malaysian tax and also accounting sector. In the accounting sector, there are 5 essential organizations. The first one, the National Accounting Organization that oversees, advances, and supports the accounting industry in Malaysia is the Malaysian Institute of Accountants, which is MIA. The Securities Commission oversees the Malaysian accounting profession, while the Malaysian Accounting Standards Board, which is MASB, publishes accounting standards that conform to International Financial Reporting Standards, which is IFRS. Lastly, the accounting profession in Malaysia is governed by the renowned Companies Commission of Malaysia, which is known as SSM. There's also the taxation industry. It consists of 2 organizations, the Inland Revenue Board, which is LHDN, and also the Chartered Tax Institute of Malaysia, which is known as CTIM. In Malaysia, CTIM oversees tax professionals, and LHDN publishes public rulings that specify tax treatment. The business primary operational activities include audit, tax consulting, and also secretarial services. There are 4 departments that make up KS Liao Tax Consultants Sdn Bhd, which are audit, tax consultant, secretarial, and also IT departments. My internship is in the audit department, so our daily task is to audit companies to make sure their financial statements adhere to the applicable laws and also accounting standards, accurate, and do not contain any substantial misstatements. Regardless of size, all Malaysian private limited companies are required to undergo an audit every year, and the audited report must be filed to the Companies Commission Malaysia. The tax consultant department comes next. This division is in charge of assisting customers with the preparation and also filing of their yearly income tax returns. Additionally, they guarantee that their clients fulfill their legal responsibilities and also file returns that comply with the tax laws. The secretarial department must then make sure that the business comply with all applicable laws and also regulations. This guarantees sound corporate governance and helps to avoid legal problems. Last, the IT department helps to solve the technical problems and also electronic related problems. My training provided diverse experiences, each contributing to specified performance objective. Let me begin by detailing my insights into ethics and professionalism. My work profoundly underscores its importance, particularly when handling sensitive client data, such as accessing a KWSP account for payroll listings. I proactively sought supervisor guidance and adhere meticulously to confidentiality, reinforcing my commitment to the highest ethical standards. Beyond individual conduct, managing relationships was another critical area where I gained significant understanding. Client relationship management taught me that proactive, open communication, and unwavering trust are the key for building effective stakeholders' engagement. By using preference communication channels for swift issue resolution, I significantly fortified client trust and fostered collaborative partnerships. My insights weren't limited to the client interaction. I also observed how the firm champions long-term success through strategy planning and innovation. In strategy, innovation, and sustainable value creation, I noted that the firm's emphasis on continuous professional development through free MIA courses for staff and the strategy application of Microsoft Excel for enhanced audit efficiency and accuracy. This blend of investing in human capital and embracing technology showcases how KS Leo Tax Consultants and Berhad aligns its objective with sustainable growth and value creation. Integral to any successful operation is a strong framework of governance and control, an area I closely examine. In governance, risk, and control, I gain invaluable insights by verifying critical statutory documents like director and member return resolutions. This experience reinforced how robust internal controls and meticulous documentation are vital mechanisms for safeguarding company assets and ensuring long-term corporate dependability. Complementing this foundational understanding, my internship also provided significant opportunities for professional developments in leadership and management. The firm's environment fostered practical experience, significantly enhancing my skill across accounting, auditing, and also taxation. I gained hands-on experience in preparing financial statements, performing audits, and also handling tax computations. My communication abilities greatly improved through the active involvement in creating financial reports and collaborating cross-functionally. Moving from these foundational aspects, my internship also provided extensive practical experience in the core technical performance objective of accounting, auditing, and also taxation. Firstly, in preparing for and planning the audit assurance process, I learned the critical importance of meticulous planning and also proactive risk assessment. I contributed to understanding the client business models, reviewing prior audit files, and identifying potential red flags in the financial statements. This early diligence directly shaped our audit strategy and ensured efficient resource allocation, including staying updated with the LHDM public rulings and also accounting standards. Building on meticulous planning, the next crucial step involved collecting and evaluating evidence for an audit or assurance engagement. I performed various audit procedures, including through vouching and tracing of transactions to support documents. My proficiency in Microsoft Excel provide invaluable to complex reconciliations and large-scale data analysis, directly enhancing the credibility and integrity of our audit findings. With all evidence truly collected and also evaluated, the focus then shifts to reviewing and reporting on the findings of an audit or assurance engagement. This involves synthesizing complex data, assisting in the preparation of draft audited accounts, and also assembling essential formal documents like representation and also confirmation letters. I also learned that the importance of clear financial statement notes, vital for stakeholders' understanding and also transparency. Finally, my technical skills were also honed in the crucial area of tax computation and assessments. I gained practical expertise in complex tax calculation, such as apportioning expenses for partially landed properties based on the deductible expenses. Staying updated with the latest public rulings from the LHDN website was essential for ensuring accurate financial reporting and also compliance in a dynamic tax environment. Reflecting on these diverse experiences, I have some recommendations for continuous improvement. I am committed to actively participating in collaborative knowledge-sharing seasons to refine my communication and also problem-solving abilities. Crucially, I aim to champion leveraging technology for greater efficiency within the firm, exploring advanced audit software, promoting paperless operations, and also suggesting the acquisition of newer and also more efficient systems. In conclusion, this industrial training has equipped me with much more than just technical expertise. it has deepened my insight into the ethical responsibility and also professional judgment inherent to an auditor's role. I now feel confident, well equipped, and also ready to embrace the challenges and responsibilities of the ACCA qualification, poised to contribute efficiently and effectively and also ethically to the finance professions. That's all from me. Thank you.